Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerade. So here we are given that a car which is having a mass of, so let's say M1, which is 1040 kgs, right? And there is the truck which is M2, let's say, that is having a mass of 3360 kgs, undergoes perfectly inelastic collision, right? That means after collision they move as a single mass, right? Before the collision. The car was traveling southwards at 1.8 meters per second. So we have got the east direction to be positive x-axis and not to be y-axis, right? So since the mass m1 is moving towards southwards, we can say it's a velocity v1 or maybe initial velocity u1 that is equal to 1.8